Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 62, which is unique paths. Suppose there is a robot on an M into N grid. The robot is initially located at the top left corner, which is grid of 0, 0 and 0. The robot tries to move to the bottom right corner, that is grid M minus 1, N minus 1. The robot can only move either down or right at any point in time. Given the two integers m and n, return the number of possible unique paths that the robot can take to reach the bottom right corner. The test cases are generated so that the answer will be less than or equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 9. So whenever this type of question comes, we need to see uh, the like in how many directions the robot can move. So in our case, the robot can only move either down or right at any point in time. So to reach this position m comma n, if we can compute for m minus 1 comma n and m comma n minus 1, then we can easily sum up those results and get the result for m comma n. So let's code it up. We will be using recursion to solve this question. Suppose if m is equals to 1 or n is equals to 1, this is the corner case in which the row, if the either the row is the starting row or the column is the starting column, then there is only one way, so we can return 1. Otherwise, we can sum up self dot unique paths m minus 1 comma n plus m comma n minus 1. So let's run the code. So you can see that the all the test cases are passed. So we can submit the code. Let's see if there is any error or time related issues. Time limit exceeded. So as expected, we got this error, time limit exceeded. So in these type of problems, we get this error because we are computing the result for same m comma n multiple times. So suppose let's say we are computing here, let's say m and n are 10 comma 10, and there at line number 6, uh, we can compute for 4 comma 5 and 5 comma 4, right? But these are like, there may be during the recursion stack, there can be multiple instances where we are computing the same result again and again, so it results to the time limit exceeded problem. So the solution to this is, we can have this lookup. It is basically a dictionary to store the results, and we can check if m comma n not in lookup, and only we are going to compute the results. M comma n is equals to this. Okay. Now we can return the result by using this m comma n. Let's try to run the code. Okay, lookup is not defined, so we need to use self.lookup, self.lookup, and here also. Let's run the code. It is accepted, all the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. Okay, submission is successful. Our algorithm is working fine. I hope you understand the code and algorithm. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of m into n, and space complexity is constant. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.